Hi students, welcome back to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will learn about one of the most component of Office suite, Microsoft Excel 2007. So students, now start the lecture of Microsoft Excel 2007. First one, introduction of Excel. Excel is a computer program used to create electronic spreadsheets. Within Excel, users can organize data, create charts, and perform calculations. Excel is a convenient program because it allows the user to create large spreadsheets, reference information from other spreadsheets, and it also for better storage and modification of information. Excel operates like other Microsoft Office programs and has many of the same functions and shortcuts of other MS programs. And MS Excel extension is .xls. What is the advantage of MS Excel 2007? Here some advantages are given: data entry, easy data manipulation and formatting, formulas for automatic computation, what if analysis, and automatic graphs or charts. Opening the Microsoft Excel 2007, how to start MS Excel? Follow some steps. First, click the start button. Second, point or click all programs. Third, click Microsoft Office folder, and fourth, click Microsoft Office Excel 2007. Just same steps given here in the form of image, picture. And important notes: you can open Microsoft Office Excel 2007 instantly by creating a shortcut icon on the desktop of the Microsoft Windows. Once shortcut has been created, just double click it to launch the Microsoft Excel 2007. When you create a shortcut of Microsoft Excel, then you easy way to double click and open your Microsoft Excel sheet. And when are you open first times Excel sheet, then that time on your screen of Microsoft Excel show just like a given slides. Means in this slide you show there are so many types of area of Microsoft Excel, like Microsoft Office button, name box, quick access toolbar, ribbon menu, select all button, page number, active cell, column name, row name, status bar, zoom tools. There are so many area where when you open a first time Microsoft Excel sheet, so like this. MS Excel 2007. Microsoft Excel 2007 had 8 standard ribbon tabs like Home tab, Insert tab, Page Layout tab, Formulas tab, Data tab, Review tab, View and Add-ins, and an occasional contextual tab that show up when you have a certain item selected. For example, if you have a picture selected, a picture tools format ribbon is available as shown in the figure. Means there are 8 standard ribbon tabs shown on this slide. MS Excel, the first ribbon, Home ribbon. The Home ribbon has common formatting and editing commands of Microsoft Excel 2007. Insert ribbon. Insert ribbon allows you to insert common object like charts, links, image, and much more. You see this image, you can insert their given clip art, sets, chart, line, bar, chart, area. There are so many things you insert through this insert ribbon. Page layout ribbon. The page layout ribbon is used to lay out your spreadsheet for printing. MS Excel 2007 Formulas ribbon. The Formulas ribbon allows access to different formulas, so you do not have to memorize all of the functions. Means this is the most important ribbon. Every 8 ribbon are important, but Formulas ribbon one of them. The formula ribbon where you use a formula function and you do your calculation easy way. MS Excel 2007 data ribbon. The data ribbon has command for accessing external data, sorting and filtering data, and managing data in the spreadsheet. Review ribbon. The review ribbon contains the proofing and reviewing tools. If you have a tablet PC, you can also mark up the spreadsheet with ink. Review tabs. View ribbon. The view ribbon has different views available, allows you to control the zoom view of document and lets you access macros. Basic mouse pointer shapes. When you work on MS Excel, there are so many different type of mouse pointer shape. What is the meaning of this mouse pointer shape? First, default mouse pointer. Second, plus sign. This is the shape of, it means the shape of cursor. This symbol is the show the cursor. Autofill handle, plus row and columns manual resize, move, vertical resize, horizontal resize, diagonal resize to I-beam and insertion point. This is very important to know people who use MS Excel and what is the meaning of this shape. Then better way to understand. Creating a workbook. How to create a workbook? To create a new workbook, follow some steps. Click the Microsoft Office toolbar, click New and choose blank workbook. Then your workbook created. MS Excel 2007. If you want to create a new document from our templates, explore the templates and choose one that fits your needs. Means MS Excel provides templates, means pre-designed structure, pre-designed template which are used according to our need. There are so many types. You click the templates and select according to your need. Means if you want to create a new document from templates, explore the templates and choose one of fit for your needs. After that, you click the create and your template show on your MS Excel sheet. Saving a workbook. When you save a workbook, you have two choices: save or save as. To save a document, first step, click the Microsoft Office button. Second, click save. Third, type the file name of the workbook, and fourth, click save. After that, saving a workbook in the form of save as command. You may need to use the save as feature when you need to save a workbook under a different name or to save it for an earlier version of Excel. Remember that old version of Excel will not be able to open an Excel 2007 worksheet sheet unless you save it as in the Excel 1907 or 2003 format. To use the save as feature means old version Excel sheet not open in Excel 2007. If you save as another name, then you easy way to open in MS Excel 2007. To use the save as feature, follow some steps. First, click the Microsoft Office button, click save as option. Third, type the file name of the workbook. In the save as type box, choose Excel 97-2003 workbook and fifth, click save. Opening a workbook. Many times there are so many Excel sheets already have on your computer. So how to open that Excel sheet? To open an existing workbook, follow some steps. First, click the Microsoft Office button. Second, click open. Third, browse to the workbook. Fourth, click the title or file name of the workbook. Fifth, click open. When you click the open, your existing Excel workbook, Excel sheets open on your Excel screen. Next one, how to enter data on Excel sheet. There are different way to enter data in Excel, in an active cell or in the formula bar. To enter data in active cell, first step, click in the cell where you want the data. Second, being typing means first one you click where you want to write a cell, where you want to write, click the cell and start typing through keyboard. Next one is selecting data. To select a cell or data to be copy or cut. First, click the cell means how many cells you want to copy or cut. You click the cell. Second step, click and drag the cursor to select many cells in a range. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. To copy and paste data, select the cells that you wish to copy. On the clipboard group of the Home tab, click shortcut key Ctrl+C. Third, select the cell where you would like to copy the data. On the clipboard group of the Home tab, click paste. Shortcut key Ctrl+D. Means you want to copy some data and paste another place of Excel sheet. So you first one click the cell and use shortcut key Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+D for paste the data. Cut and paste. To cut and paste data, select the cells that you wish to copy. On the clipboard group of the Home tab, click cut. For cut, Ctrl+X. Here you show the picture of cut, and for paste, select the cell where you would like to copy the data. On the clipboard group of the Home tab, click paste. Yes, use shortcut key Ctrl+V. Means you want to cut some data and paste another place, then you use Ctrl+X for cut and Ctrl+V for paste. Undo and redo. To undo or redo most recent action, on the quick access toolbar, click undo button या shortcut key Ctrl+Z or redo button shortcut key Ctrl+Y. Next one, the autofill. The autofill feature fill cell data or series of data in a worksheet into a selected range of cells. If you want the same data copy into the under cell, you only need to complete one cell if you want to have a series of data, fill in the first two cells in the series and then use to autofill feature. It means suppose that you are write a serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, you are write only 1 and 2, and after that click the autofill feature. Then when you have moved to the next cell, automatically come 3, 4, 5 when you move to next cell. How to use this autofill feature? First, follow some step. First, the fill handle. Second, drag the fill handle to complete the cell. Inserting cells, rows and column. To insert cells, row and columns in Excel, first place the cursor in the row below where you want the new row or in the column to the left of where you want to the new column. Click the insert button on the cell group of the home tab. Click the appropriate choice, cell, row or column. Means you want to insert cell, row or column. You click the right click of the cursor. There are so many options: insert cells, insert sheet row, insert sheet column, insert sheets. You choose according to your needs. Deleting cell, row and column. To delete cell and row and column, if you require, then you follow the steps. Place the cursor in the cell, row or column that you want to delete. Second, click the delete button on the cells group of the home tab. Third, click the appropriate choice, cell, row or column. Means if you want to delete any cell, row or column, you click the delete option of the home tab, and there are so many options here. Delete cell, delete sheets column, delete sheet. If you need, according to your need, you click any one and delete a particular cell, row or column. Excel formula. A formula is a set of mathematical instructions that can be used in Excel to perform calculation. Formulas are started in the formula box with equal sign. There are many elements to an Excel formula. References: the cell or range of cells that you want to use in your calculation. Operator symbols like plus, minus, multiplication, division, etc. that specify the calculation to be performed. Constants: number or text value that do not change. Function: predefined formula in Excel is called function. So in an Excel formula, when we are use Excel formula, first one you put a equal sign from beginning, then you write any formula. Excel formula. To create a basic formula in Excel, first step, select the cell for the formula. Second, type equal to sign and the formula like sum formula, average, max, mean formula, for example, and after that press enter key, then your formula work. Excel formula. A function is built in formula in Excel. A function has a name and argument. The mathematical function in parenthesis, common function in Excel. Now discuss here about the sum formula. First, sum function. Sum formula adds all cell in the argument. Average: calculate the average of the cell in the argument. Mean function finds the minimum value. Max function finds the maximum value. Count function find the number of cells that contain a numerical value with a range of argument. Sort and filter. Sorting and filtering allow you to manipulate data in a worksheet based on given set of criteria. basic sorts means how to sort of use sort function to execute a basic descending or ascending sort based on one column. Means through the sort you select your document, your list ascending or descending order. You follow some steps highlighting the cells that you will sorted. Second, click the sort or filter button on the home tab. Click the sort ascending A to Z button and sort descending Z to A button. So here figure. Means this is the most important things, sort and filter of data, because there are so many student list, and if you want to manage ascending order, alphabetical order, then sort function is very important and easy way to sort student according to the alphabet from A to. Already discussed about different types of MS Excel here: home tab, insert tab, page layout tab, formulas tab, data tab, review tab and view tab. And after that, this one is the column. A, B, C, D is the column name and 1, 2, 3 is a row name. And you enter any name just like given here: name, class and subject. Write there any name, for example Laman. Move one cell to another cell through tab: class, 7th, subject, Hindi, Hindi. And if you want to this data in a tabular form, first one you select and go here and select all border. You see in the form of tabular. If you want to increase column size, then you click here and increase the column size. You also increase the row size here, just like this. And you also give color of any cell, then you select here just like this. And this is very important for numbering. For example, suppose you give serial number, you add any cell, right click here and then go to insert option and select entire column. Okay, here one column added and you write here serial number. Suppose that you write 1 and 2 and you want to write continue 1, 2, 3, 4. You select first and second and then you drag it, then continue serial number show here. So hopefully you understand how to use MS Excel and how to write the name, enter the data, how to increase the column and row size, and here a formula bar where you give different type of formulas. Look here: sum, average, count, mix, max, minimum. There are so many formula. You select and use it. Hopefully you understand Excel, how to enter data in and better way. So thank you.